Come here, boy. Come here, boy.
What the fuck? Oh, that motherfucker's out. Dude, they just straight live on your property or something.
You, dog. They straight just live here.
I've never seen a wild dog anywhere fucking in Ohio.
Oh, I got it. I got it.
Dude, get that motherfucker. Dude, he might take you to the pack. Don't run at him. Where'd he go? I know. Oh, that motherfucker. Dude, just fucking nuts. You got him? That's fucking gnar.
Shit. Keep track of it. I'm gonna take this motherfucker down. I wish we had the
That's
scope on
weird
here
that they
still.
don't leave your house though. Cause it seems like they'd run around all over the place. Oh, motherfucker.
Where is he?
He's somewhere in these bushes right here. I heard him.
Right there.
Really? Watch out for the people. Dude, you look so shady just running through the gun. Oh, I saw him right when you shot. All these kids are probably like, is this fool trying to kill a dog? Dude, but seriously, we gotta kill those things. You don't want those running around. Oh, see him? He's right on the other side of the river. He's running in over to my neighbor's property. Is the chase over? I'm not crossing that.
We are crossing over there. Or over here.
I think he's long gone by now.
You want to go in the back and look for more?
He ran into the neighbor's house.
There's four babies. Killed two.
You saw them all at one time?
My dad had.
Oh, really?
And that might not even be all of them. I told you they were out there.
That's gnarly. Damn.